Good morning. Today is October 12th, 2019, and today's refinishing project is located in Lafayette, California. Alright, so today we're going to be refinishing this bathtub here and 3 wall tile surround. The bathtub looks like it's been refinished before, so we're going to have to strip off this old coating. And then we have this 3 wall tile surround here. Looks in good condition. But it's yellow, and the customer wants to bring it up to a more modern color, neutral color. A lot of customers request Kohler white or the bright white. Alright, so this is what we're going to be doing today, and this will be a full day to fully complete this unit here. And we'll follow up once we're done. Thanks for watching. Alright, so we just finished up the bathtub and tile here in Lafayette, California. Let's have a look. As you remember, the tile was a yellow color before, and this coating here is a Kohler white. The tub here. Okay, there we go. So if you're interested in any of our refinishing services, you can reach us at 925-516-7900, and we service the entire Bay Area. Thanks for watching.